Page 37, Bright New Mornin'. Lots of eighth notes here. Let's go over the right hand slowly. You're starting out fourth finger on the G. And we'll just do it with eighth notes even. Now, since this is more of a jazz piece, we'll eventually swing the eighth notes. But when you're learning it, just do it even. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and. See the tied note? We'll take out the tie and play all the notes. It's this. 1 and 2. Put the tie in. I'm going to hang on to that F. The second time, I'm just not going to, I'm going to hang on to the first one. This second line, same thing, and then the second measure. Not a lot going on here, is there? Let's jump down to the fourth line. Then you have chords, melodies in the left hand. Doesn't that sound lovely? And that's all it is for the right hand. Yay, team. Left hand at the top. Second finger on the G, so you're here, so it's second measure, the first line. And you're going to hang on to that F for the rest of the measure, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The right hand takes over, then the left hand plays with the right hand. No biggie. Third line similar to what you've done before, and then for the fourth line, the left hand gets the melody, so it's here. Second measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's ba-bam. Don't play that half note too soon. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and. It comes on beat 3 on the half note. And that should take care. That's pretty much it for the piece. It's kind of repetitious. So what we do now is we put in the swinging. Swing the eighth notes because it's jazz. It's the style of jazz. Instead of 1 and 2 and, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 1, etc. Now when you get down to the fourth line, again, jazz. It's just a lovely sound. You gotta love it. It might help after a glass or two of wine. I'm not sure. That's the way it is. Let's play this slowly together just to double check the notes and the rhythms. And I am going to swing these eighth notes because that is the style of the piece. So I give us 4 counts since it's in common time. So go ahead and put your hands where they go. Right hand, left hand. 1, 2, and ready and go, and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 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 and 4 and 1. Top, rest, 3 and 4 and rest, 4 and rest, 3 and 4 and rest, 3 and 4 and off. At the top it says happily. It's not a speed, it's a mood. So get happy and play it. That's however you feel it.